Now we're north of the equator.
So we're on the northern side of the equator.
Yeah, my name's Huntington Kalunji, doing the experiment.
There's the north of the equator.
So
Water's going down.
clockwise.
We're going clockwise, northern hemisphere.
Yeah. Huntington Kalunji are my names, Equator Guide.
Yeah.
So we're going to see the south and see whether to go the other way
Yeah.
around. Because
So we're going clockwise.
north, yeah. UK. From which country?
From Australia,
Australia, that's south of the equator.
Yeah. but born in England.
Oh, been in both hemispheres, huh?
Yeah, yeah. So northern hemisphere, water's done.
Okay.
All right, let's go. Across the south, into the south.
They will also have to stabilize.
It works.
Thank you. So we need to do the last one at the zero. What happens when you're at the zero altitude?
Eee, what happens there?
There's no rotation, just goes straight up.
Boom.
Can you see?
Wow, let's go. This is on the equator line. So what is it called when you're standing on the equator? Where are we?
No, we are at the equator where you weigh 3% less. The body weight is less by 3%. On the equator line. Okay.
Oh my God. I am fully spun out. Come on, boss. What's the magic?
No magic.
What's the magic, boss?
Coriolis effect. Look at the guess.
Zayn, what do you reckon? Pretty impressive?
Yeah. Wait, so we are on